Welcome everyone, I'm Andrea, your automated trader. If you enjoy the videos I make on my channel, leave a like and subscribe. Here we are in this video and I'll show you how things went last week. Let's take a look at what happened from September 22nd to September 28th. Here we have all the trades. Let's start by saying that it was a very good week because we achieved a decidedly good result. So we had a few losses at the beginning, some trades went well, others not so much. Then we eventually got to this particular day, the 24th of the month, where we successfully took two truly excellent and highly profitable trades on the Japanese yen. So we ultimately made a very significant profit. The same thing happened again in the evening. We took another excellent trade, still on the 24th, and we basically made almost 1,000 euros in a single day. Then on the 25th, it was another good day because we had some losses but also big profits, both on the pound dollar and again on the yen dollar. We ended the day on Friday with a whole series of positive trades because gold went up. We were in a buy position, so we made a lot of profit on gold and also some smaller profits elsewhere. Still, the main gains came from gold because it moved in our direction. It went up, so we went long and captured the entire trend that formed. This week was so profitable because there were significant directional moves that, with our strategies, we were able to catch, so we took the maximum profit we could. Now let's take a look. Let's look at the actual report, so let's check it out. Overall, we made 1,970 euros in profit. We have this incredible profit factor of 2.03 because, as mentioned, it was truly a great week. The drawdown was almost zero because we kept going up all week. As you can see here from the chart, our performance was always on the rise, so our account kept increasing. Now, let's take a look at where we made the most gains and where we had losses. As I mentioned, on the yen, we made almost 1,000 euros in profit, immediately followed by gold, which brought in 700 euros in profit. There was probably one or two trades on oil that also went well. We made 260 euros in profit on the pound, which, as I showed you earlier, had that excellent trade of over 400 euros, but before that it had lost a few trades and hit stop loss. This is normal, it's just part of the process. I mean, you can't always make a profit, right? It's also normal to hit stop losses because in every strategy there are times when things don't go our way and the market moves against us. Let's see where we went negative. We went negative on Bitcoin, just a little 77 euros, so basically we broke even. We lost on the euro dollar, and on the US 100 we also took a loss. So we have a total of 26 trades on currencies, 18 on commodities, so gold and oil, 7 on crypto, which is Bitcoin, and on indices we had 11 trades between the US 100 and the DAX. Here we can see exactly how they performed, how the various trades were distributed. Practically all the trades were executed by the programs. It shows us these 5 manual trades, but in reality, it's an expert advisor that closes all positions on Friday evening because I never leave anything open over the weekend. You never know how things might open on Monday, so I prefer to close all positions. One last thing we can see from this screen, we see that there was a profit of 4,100 and a loss of 2,000. This means that profits are greater than losses, but there are losses as well. Something very interesting to note is that on a profit of 2,000 euros, we paid only 112 or 113 euros in commissions and swaps. This tells us that almost all our systems, since the swap is so low, never hold positions overnight. So we always try to close trades by midnight of the same day, except in some strategies where it's more convenient to do multi-day trades, so we carry them forward, but those are few compared to the total strategies we use. So, consequently, commissions and swaps have also not significantly affected our overall profit, primarily because we generally do not utilize excessively large lot sizes, and therefore we do not take on highly leveraged positions in terms of the inherent financial risk involved. In trading, we always keep risks low, let's say from 1% up to a maximum of 3% per trade, but often even less, even as low as 0.5%, depending on the type of strategy we use. The Nikan is being used, but we never really push the risk accelerator, so commissions also stay low because the lot sizes we use are still small. And when we make a lot of profit, it's because we've made an excellent entry with a tight stop loss and a good risk-reward ratio, sometimes even above 3, sometimes even 1 to 5 in certain cases. So this allows us to keep commissions and swaps low. I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you a short tutorial on how to create experts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this report from this fantastic week.